Okay, let's move on to the next one now. What do 40 stamps cost if the cost of each stamp is 15 paise? You all know this is how I have to write. This is how I have to write 15 paise, correct? If I have to write it in rupee and paise, it will be like this: 0 rupees and 15 paise, correct? Am I, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find out cost of 40 stamps. So if I know cost of one thing, how do I find out cost of 40 things, boy Bobby? How do I find out cost of 40 things if I know cost of one thing?
Is it multiplication?
Tell me. Boy, how many boy Bobbies are there in the class? Children, I can keep remote control in my hand also by muting everyone and by unmuting only the child whom I want to talk to. Right? But I always give you the remote control. I mean, it is with you. So please, boy Bobby had doubt now, ma'am, which operation to use. That's why I'm asking her. Tell me, boy Bobby, which operation to use here? Is she there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But I know cost of one item. I have to find out of 40 items. Which operation to use?
And multiplication.
Correct.
Ma'am,
Correct.
answer.
Now, yes,
Kian.
Yes, Kian.
The answer is 600.
You are right. You are right. 600 what? Paise?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, when I have to find out the cost of 40 stamps, I'll multiply 40 with 15. If you know the table of 15, you can do it straight away. 15 fours are 60 and there is one more zero at one place, so it becomes 600.
If I know how to multiply 6 or 600 by 2 digits. Ma'am, below we'll put a cross. 0.
Okay. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. Now because 1 is at 10th place, so either I can put a 0 here or I can put a cross here. Both are correct. Whichever way you have been using is correct.
Ma'am, I have been using answer 600.
600.
I use this.
So the answer is 600 paise because 15 paise is what you are multiplying with, correct? So make sure that you write 600 paise, not rupees. If you will write it in rupees, it will become 6 rupees because 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So 600 paise is equal to 6 rupees, right? Yes or no? Now,
yes.
Yes, ma'am. Chalo. There are 15 questions in this. So let me do 10th one with you. After buying a notebook for 10 rupees 75 paise.
I have one question.
Who is it? Is it you, Kian?
Yes. What is the time limit for 5 and 6?
You have 3. Abhi, I'll give you more questions. Kian, ruko. 4, 5 and 6, not 5 and 6.
No, I've already done 4 and I took the answer. It was correct.
So for every question, I can give you a minute to do. Not more than that.
Okay, so 2 minutes so far.
2 minutes so far. Yes, dear. Okay. After buying a notebook for 10 rupees and 75 paise, Ravi had 12 rupees and 25 paise left. Means he already purchased the notebook, but he still has this much money left with him. Which sentence could be used to find out how much money he had before he bought the notebook?
And answer is C option.
Answer is C option. Very good. Very nice. Why? Because I don't know how much money he had in the beginning, but after purchasing, Means if I subtract 10 rupees and 75 paise from the total money he had, still he is left with 12 rupees and 25 paise. So of course left is a keyword of subtraction, but 12 rupees and 25 paise is my final answer. So what am I supposed to subtract here? I have to subtract 10 rupees and 75 paise from whatever money he was having earlier. So do you know how can you figure out that how much money he had with him?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's me there. Can I answer?
Yes, Dharya?
Ma'am, we can figure out by they said after buying notebook. So they are not saying how much dollar did he had before. And over here, it's B and C are not showing. Now they are saying he has left with 12 rupees and 25 paisa. So over here, so the left is the keyword of subtraction, and over here in the C is subtraction. So the answer is C.
Now my question is that can you tell me how much money he had before he bought the notebook?
Ma'am.
Let me explain. Please give me a minute. Suppose I have 10 rupees. Okay. Suppose I purchased something of 2 rupees. Okay.
Yeah.
I purchased something, toffees of 2 rupees. I still have 8 rupees left with me. Still have 8 rupees left with me, and I already purchased toffees of 2 rupees. So how much money did I had in the beginning?
Ma'am,
10 toffees. 10. How did you calculate? By adding both of them. So this is how you have to calculate how much money he had before he bought the notebook, in case if you get such a question.
Ma'am, 23.00.
23.00. So it is
23.00.
Very good. Yes, Pranavi. Correct.
23.00.
So I'm telling you the way, the other part of the question, how to calculate along with what question is given. Because I'll be giving you more and more questions to practice. Because in the class, I am helping you, other children are helping you. But in homework, you are all alone. You do it individually. So that is the difference in classwork and homework. Now, Anurag bought 2 books for 40 rupees each. Each book is for 40 rupees. So cost of 2 books is, if cost of 1 book is 40 rupees, how do you find out cost of 2 books?
80.
80. Thank you, Zaira. 40 multiplied by 2.
Ma'am, I also said I am Revanta.
Sorry, but I didn't hear you. Okay. 3 pencils for 3 rupees each. If the each means
9.
Correct. Cost of 1 pencil is 3 rupees. So what is the cost of 3 pencils? So multiply 9. Which number sentence can be used to find the total amount of money in rupees, Anurag?
Ma'am, answer is B.
Ma'am, answer is D. 42 into 9.
Wrong. It's not 42 into 9. It is 80 plus 9. We already calculated. Cost of 1 book is 40 rupees. So cost of 2 books is what? 80. Cost of 1 pencil is 3 rupees. So cost of 3 pencils is 9 rupees. Altogether, or total amount is a keyword of addition, children. Total amount is a keyword of addition. So you should be clear that you have to add, not to multiply. In the final, this multiply by this gives you the cost of 2 books. This multiply by this gives you the cost of 3 pencils. So 40 into 2 gives you cost of 2 books. 3 into 3 gives you cost of 3 pencils. So in the end, you have to add them up. 80 plus 9 is the correct option. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am,
Only hear it from boys. Girls are not at all talking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is there more homework? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Is there more homework?
Yes. I'm just checking the questions because it is 8, 9. So out of 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ma'am, 700.
Please wait.
Ma'am, 725, sir.
Rahul left home in the morning with this much. 13th is homework. 13th is homework, mark. 12th is homework, please mark. Question number 12 and 13, both are homework. Okay, Kian, in a question, if 2 operations are involved, you can take 2 minutes. But if only 1 operation is involved, you will take 1 minute. So this is how you have to keep a check on your time. Now,
But for reading the questions, is the time limit there? Even for
yes, because in certain questions, there are 2 operations. In some questions, only 1 operation. So if there are 2 operations, then 1 minute for each operation is okay. Daniel bought 6 pens for 30 rupees and 60 paise. So what is the cost of 1 pen? When I know cost of 6 pens and I have to find out for 1 pen, which operation to use? Divide. Cost of one thing is given and I have to find out for many. I always multiply. When cost of many things are given and I have to find out for one thing, I always divide. Let me help you for this question, how to divide, because we can divide it straight away. No need to do conversion. I'll tell you how. This is the cost of 6 pence. Everyone on mute, please. My voice is echoing somewhere. Everyone on mute. Thank you. I know 6, we always start division from the highest place, children. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, we always start from ones place, right? But division, we always start from the highest place. At the highest place, I have 3. So 3 is less than 6. I cannot divide. Now let me take 2 numbers. 30 is bigger than 6. Now I can divide. In the table of 6, do
5
30
times 6 is 30.
5 times.
6 5 the 30 times 30.
Okay. Okay. Now my remainder is 0. Generally, what do? I bring the 6 down. Correct?
Yes, ma'am, I've done this question. I learned it.
Now in this question, as you people can see that this point is coming in between. So what you will do, you will take this point up in the quotient because the point is in the way. So I have to do something for that point. That point will go up directly in the quotient. Now that point is removed from dividend and I can bring my 6 down. Can I divide? Yes. 6 ones are 6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Bring this 0 down. When I divide 0 by any number, what do I get?
0.
0. Finish. So the answer is 5 rupees 10 paise.
Ma'am, my answer is 5 rupees 10 paise.
Yeah. Please make sure that you shift the dot which is separating rupee and paise in the quotient. Do not bring the paise down straight away. First shift the dot to the quotient. Then bring the 6. Then bring your paise down. In this way, there will be no mistake. Okay. And 15th question also homework. So this sheet is finished. So I have from my end, I have given you only 6 questions from this sheet as homework. Let me give you more homework. Last time I didn't give you any homework. 4, 5, 6, 12, 13 and 15. Only 6 questions are there. So let me show you another sheet. Oh my God, how many things are coming in chat box? My chat box was closed. Okay. 1 second. I'm reading and giving you. Question number 1. Please make a note. I'll just tick mark the questions that you have to do as homework. 2, 3. My God. Very nice. You can do all of them. 4.
Ma'am, 4, 5, 6, 7 was that.
Ruk jao,
Ma'am, can you
erase it.
repeat?
I have tick marked the questions. You can note it down. I'm still reading the questions.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do 5. I'll help. Don't do 6. I'll help. Don't do 7th. I'll help. Wait. Let me go down. 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. Okay. Wait. Okay. Do question number 8 also. Division question. You people can do.
Ma'am, actually, I did checking. Ma'am, actually, I did check. You're taking in 4.3.
1, 2, 3, 4, then 8. Okay, wait. I am still checking.
Ma'am, okay.
Wait. I'm reading and then only I'm giving you. Question number 9. Chalo, that's it for today. Rest of the questions I'll give you next time. So from that sheet, I gave you 6. From this sheet, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. 6 from this sheet. So 12 questions are enough. Yes, Dheri, now you can speak.
Time in
But
total.
ma'am, actually, I was making a note. So that's why I could not hear the 4.31.
I'm telling you again. Note it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9.
Ma'am, how many questions? How much time in total?
In total, Kian, it should not take more than 15 minutes. 15 to 18 minutes maximum. The questions in 4.3 are a bit tricky ones. So maximum 20 minutes, even if the trick is involved, because in exercise 4.2, they are very simple. So not more than 20 minutes.
Not here.
Who can't hear me?
Ma'am,
I'm writing in the chat box for everyone.
Admina.
Admin, I'm writing 4.3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Admin, I've written it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am, we can see it.